And today we're taking a look at how to turn on charcoal using your chimney starter. Using a chimney starter, it's an easy, cheap, and effective way to turn on your charcoal every time. You can easily get these bad boys under $20 and sometimes even under $10. If you're looking for a chimney starter, I will leave a link in the description. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and place the charcoal inside the chimney starter. And how much you fill it up with, that's all up to you, depending on how much charcoal you need. So let's go ahead and turn on that charcoal. Get your chimney starter out, get your paper, leaves, newspaper, paper towel, and let's light this one on fire. Let's go ahead and place the paper under the chimney starter. So once you choose your desired method of burn, what we want to do, we want to light it in different places so we could get an even turn on. If you want to make the process a lot faster, you can add a little bit of cooking oil to the paper to accelerate the process. Now we go ahead and wait until the charcoal lights up. Always remember when grilling, barbecuing, or smoking to use safety. Once we see that fire on the charcoal and it looks white, that means they're on. Let's dump the charcoal slowly on the grill to avoid any flying debris, because the last thing you want is to end up in one of those vines. 2016. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on social media. Thank you for watching. And here's a link to our latest video.